Yellowstone, a stunning national park, but also one of the most complex geological locations in the world. Behind its natural beauty lies a force capable of changing the face of the Earth. To understand this secret, a diverse group of researchers gathers every year. They are not just scientists. They are the gatekeepers of information about America's largest supervolcano. Yellowstone's research team comes from a variety of disciplines: volcanologists, seismologists, geochemists, and biologists. They work together in a network known as the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, or YVO. Their mission is simple yet demanding: to monitor, analyze, and provide early warning if Yellowstone shows signs of dangerous activity. Their work is not easy. Extreme temperatures, the pungent smell of sulfur, and the potentially fragile ground underfoot are daily challenges. They install seismic sensors to detect the slightest tremors, examine satellite data for changes in the ground surface, and sample hot springs to study their chemistry. Every step must be careful, because one mistake could mean disaster. From their research, they discovered surprising facts. Yellowstone's magma chamber is twice as large as initially thought. Hydrothermal activity is also much more dynamic. Some hot pools can change color and temperature within hours. They also discovered that the ground surface in some areas can rise or fall several centimeters a year, a sign that something is moving beneath the surface. Despite advancing technology, Yellowstone remains shrouded in mystery. Some phenomena, such as rumbling sounds from the Earth's interior, remain unexplained. Sometimes, sensors detect sudden heat spikes in remote locations for no apparent reason. And behind it all, the big question remains: when will Yellowstone erupt again? Researchers can't predict eruptions with absolute certainty. However, with the data they collect daily, they can recognize early signs of dangerous activity. This early warning system could buy millions of people precious time to escape. They believe that knowledge is our best defense against the forces of nature. Behind its stunning natural beauty lies a giant secret. Yellowstone, America's iconic national park, isn't just a tourist paradise. It's also home to one of the most powerful natural forces on Earth. But what really lurks beneath its surface? Are we standing on a giant time bomb ready to explode? This is the mystery beneath Yellowstone. Deep beneath our feet lies a giant magma chamber, stretching for hundreds of square kilometers. Seismic data indicates that this magma chamber contains a mixture of superheated molten rock, with temperatures reaching over 1,000 degrees Celsius. This is what powers the geysers, hot pools, and mud eruptions on the surface. However, scientists have also discovered that this magma chamber is twice as large as initially thought, raising the question: how big is the real threat? Not all of Yellowstone's activity is visible to the naked eye. Every year, thousands of small earthquakes shake the park, most of them too weak to be felt by humans. But a series of increasing earthquakes could be whispers from the Earth's interior, a sign that hot fluids are moving, or even that magma is building up pressure. Several times, scientists have recorded tens of centimeters of ground level rise in a short time, as if the ground were exhaling. Despite its advanced technology, Yellowstone still holds secrets. There are forbidden locations where the ground is so hot it can kill in seconds. There are pools that emit strange colors, as if from another world. And there are mysterious booming sounds heard from deep underground that still cannot be fully explained. Is it the eruption of trapped steam or something much larger? These booms aren't just rumors. Seismic sensors have recorded unusual sound waves, similar to explosions, but not always accompanied by major earthquakes. Sometimes the sound is clear, sometimes faint, like a blow from deep within the earth. According to scientists, there are several possible causes for these booms. First, the eruption of water vapor trapped deep underground. Yellowstone is home to thousands of hot springs, and when water boils under high pressure, its release can produce an explosive sound. Second, the movement of rocks due to magma pressure. When rock layers crack or shift, the released energy can sound like a boom. And third, the acoustic phenomenon of a geyser or hot pool, releasing its breath. However, there are also cases where booms occur without any signs of hydrothermal activity or earthquakes. This deepens the mystery. Some booms have been heard from dozens of kilometers away, even shaking the windows of homes near the park. This phenomenon has also sparked various theories outside the scientific world. Some link the booms to early signs of a supervolcano waking up. Others suspect human activity beneath Yellowstone, from underground technology testing to secret research tunnels. Although there is no solid evidence, this mystery continues to pique public curiosity. If this isn't a steam explosion or a shift in rock, what's really happening? Is there a large underground cavity collapsing, or is it the movement of a giant magma chamber that we don't yet fully understand? There have been reports from park rangers of hearing the sound at night, when the air is still and quiet. This phenomenon is puzzling, as its exact source has not been identified. It's no wonder Yellowstone has become the subject of conspiracy theories. Some believe the U.S. government is hiding the true data on volcanic activity here. Some even suspect secret tunnels beneath the park, used to monitor or even divert potential eruptions. Computer simulations suggest that if Yellowstone were to erupt in full force, much of North America could be covered in ash within days. But is the threat really as imminent as we imagine, or are we simply trapped in a sense of dread? Yellowstone is a mixture of beauty and horror. On the surface, it's a haven for wildlife. Beneath, a force capable of changing the face of the planet. Its mysteries remain unsolved, and perhaps never will be fully revealed. One thing is certain, the Earth is always moving, and Yellowstone is always lurking. The question is, when it awakens, will we be ready?